Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Somi and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is an introductory video, as you can see on the title of this video, and I am not a new YouTuber. I am not a new YouTuber at all. I paused YouTube 2 years ago, and I had some videos on my channel and I had to pull it down because a lot of things, but I just wanted to start on a new slate, on a new page, so I had to pull down those videos, and here I am. So the reason why I stopped in the first place was because bad lighting, bad camera, just a lot of things, some personal stuff that as well. So I had to pause and maybe take them out, so here I am starting YouTube again. It's not like things are perfect, but then I just want to grow. I'm willing to start again and grow from here and not pause again, because it actually took me a whole lot to film this video in the first place. So fingers crossed. So my name is Blessing Chisom. I am from Anambra State, Nigeria. I graduated last year, 2021. I am going to be 25 years old by June. So I love all things beauty, makeup, skincare, hair. I love them. I love a little bit of fashion, So my channel is going to be about makeup. As you can see, don't you love my makeup? Wig making, hair, skincare, lifestyle here and there, fashion here and there, pranks here and there, girl G's, female G's, challenges, just just things to make this channel fun, and make sure you guys stick around. So I am going to be pumped to put on content there like never before. So I'm just really craving you guys indulgence, if I can say that, begging you guys to please support me in every way possible. Like, support me, like my videos, share my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just please, anything to make this journey easier, because we all know that YouTube is not easy at all. Like, so please support me, please watch my videos, give me your honest criticism, because I really want to get better. You guys can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. Up here I'm going to drop my username up here, and I will really appreciate it. So if you also like my makeup, this is actually a no foundation makeup routine. Like, there was no single foundation on this makeup look. So if you want me to film it, please let me know in the comment section, so I will get that out. So I love you guys. Please take care until my next video. Bye. Mwah.